This is a simple muscle memory exercise on how to practice the funny C chord. If you haven't watched my video on how to play the funny C chord, go ahead and do that first. This is a play-along video, so follow along. Start off by making the C chord. Now press down and release the hand and shake it out. Now we're going to place the fingers back to the count of 5. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Strum the chord. Make adjustments if you need to. Strum again. Then press down, feel those strings, and then release and shake it out. Do it again. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Strum. Press down the strings. Release. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust the strings. Yeah, like that. Press down and release. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That good? Yeah, sound good. Press down and release. Again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strum. Don't worry about the order you put the fingers on. Eventually they'll all go together. Press down and release. Here we go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strum. Okay, press down, feel the strings, release. Now we're going to up it to the count of 3. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Strum. Press down the strings and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Adjust. Press them and release. Again. 1, 2, 3. Adjust, press, and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Press down and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Press down and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Adjust, press down, and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Release. Go. 1, 2, 3. Make adjustments. Try it again if you want. Press down and release. Go. 1, 2, 3. And release.